Is it possible to drive from North Wales to the Alps in 2 days in an electric car? Well, I'm just about to find out. I'm looking forward to spending a week with some friends in Les Ouches near Chamonix in the Alps. To make things a bit more complicated, I'm taking with me 2 mountain bikes on a rack. They'll put additional drag on the car, which will reduce the range to below the normal 240 miles. The Charge Map app is telling me that I'll have to charge about 9 times altogether. One of those will be overnight in Chamonix, where I'm staying in a hotel. Wish me luck. So we've just arrived at the Aire de Barral in northern France. There are Ionity chargers here, which are great, really fast chargers, but unfortunately there are only 3 of them, and in fact one of them isn't working as fast as it should, so we're having to wait. There's a multinational gathering of people from Britain and the Netherlands and Belgium, and we're waiting. I have to say, I've never seen a supermarket as big as this Leclerc in I remember where it is actually, but it's where we're recharging. There's a row of about 8 cars all recharging quite fast, but not as fast as they would be because the current is reduced. I think probably because there are so many cars. Well, it's now Saturday morning. We did it, we got here. The good news is that it's an amazing house. It's probably the nicest house I've ever stayed in. You know, a really characterful chalet. I'm really looking forward to a week with good friends in an amazing place. And we got here with electricity. We didn't break down, and a lot of that electricity will have come from renewable sources. But we've certainly learned a few things as well. We didn't allow enough time. The app that I used to forecast that was over optimistic. We only got a few hours of sleep when we stayed overnight in Folkestone. We didn't get here until 2:30 this morning. And if I was doing it again, I would allow a lot more time. But the good news is that it's possible.